Okay, to make our frog base, we need to start with a square base. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this flap here. There we go, just run our finger along there, and we're going to open that up. So you're going to get your thumb in there, open that up, and then we're just going to squash it flat onto the table there. There we go, just make our crease along there. Okay, and once we've done that, we're just going to take these points and bring them into the center. Okay, so just fold up and along. I'm going to do the same on the other side. There we go. That's what it should look like. And now we're just going to do the same on each of these. So here we go. Again. There we go, squash flat, and then bring the sides in. So you've got 4 of these, so we've got 2 left to do. Okay, just make that crease again, and then bring the sides in. And for our last one, squash flat, and then bring our sides in. There we go. So again, we've got a nice little diamond shape here. Make those creases a little bit stronger. Okay, so now we're going to fold this in half, just to make a crease. Give it a good squash down, and the same on the other side as well. And this is so that we can reach in between these 2 flaps and just pull out that little piece that slipped out there. There we go. And then we're going to squash that flat up against the piece like that. Oh, just try and get that to a point if you can. Okay. And the same on the other side. Up and squash flat. And for our final one, open up and squash flat. So there we go. That's our frog base.